Hi guys, and welcome to my fourth tutorial on getting started with Adobe Photoshop 2018, making a DVD cover. So let's get stuck in. Okay guys, so in our previous tutorial, tutorial 3, we removed this area of this image so that we could put in a different background. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to a browser here and bring that in. And here's an image that I want to use, so I'm going to left button down on the mouse, pull that over and wait till the icon changes and let go. And there we have it. I'm then going to click on this tick here, commit transform. So let's click on that. So let's now go to the move tool over here. Let's click on that, select move tool, come back to where our image is, and let's just play around with the position of that. So I want to place that about there, and we need to do a little bit of resizing here. So I'm going to press the Control T, T for transform, hold down the Shift key so as we don't distort the image, and grab one of these handles and we'll pull that until it's the right size for us. So let's go to about there. When we're happy, click on the tick. Let's crop that. So if we come over to here and click on the crop tool and select that, it's already selected the edge for us, so that's great. And we will click on enter and then click the tick to commit to current crop. Okay, so now all we need to do is change the order of these images. So this image is in the background. So when we dragged in this image, it automatically created a layer for us and automatically put that on the top here. So if we grab this layer, hold the left button down on the mouse and pull that down so that the grey line appears below the image below it, and then let go, it'll swap the order. And now we have that image showing in the background. Clearly this is at a rough cut stage. We need to tidy up the edge along the top of the roofs of the cars here, and you can still see the original background inside the windows here on the car, so we would need to tidy that up. Next up, let's have a play with a tool called the clone stamp tool. This tool can be used, for example, if we wanted to remove the tax disc on this car and lots of imperfections, this tool is what we would use. In order to use it, first of all, we need to come over to our layers here. At the moment, because we were working on the background and this image, it is selected, so we need to move up one and come up to the top here. So now we're working on the image that has the cars. If we come over here onto this tool that looks like a stamp, the clone stamp tool, hold the left button down on the mouse, come across and select it. We can then, using the Control plus, zoom in, and then if we hover over an area that we want to clone, hold down the Alt key until it changes to a circle with a cross in the center, tap the left button on the mouse, and then come over here and click. You'll see it starts to replicate. We need to keep Alt keying and sampling the area around, but each time we do that we can nibble away at this and effectively clone the area around the tax disc and replace it so that it starts to look like it isn't there. Try to Alt key and sample different areas around the background so that it doesn't repeat, and with a little bit of time and patience you can effectively remove the tax disc so that it doesn't show anymore. If I now Control minus, we come back and the tax disc has disappeared. Okay guys, so we've looked at how to replace the background with a different image, and we started to play around with the clone stamp tool. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.